The weather is nice, so let's take that learning outside with these fun educational games coming up. Welcome to Lessons for Little Blessings. If you're new here, I'm Tessa, first and second grade teacher, staying at home now with my two boys, and I love to share different educational ideas. So today I want to share some ways that you can take the learning outside. So as the weather gets nice and you want to keep your kids learning various skills, but at the same time you just want to let them get that outdoor play, these games will be perfect. So I'm a big proponent of outdoor play for kids. And anytime I can sneak in some math and reading, that makes my teacher and mama heart happy. So here we go. Where's the circle? Hi. Good job. Where's the square? Hi. So we'll start with some chalk games here. This is a great one because you can tailor it to the age that you'd like or the skill level. So my younger was doing shapes. You could just do plain letters. My older one here is doing his sight words. So he's just finding them as fast as he can. Get. On. 5. Nice. Nice. So here we're doing just math skills. You can do just number identifying for younger kids, or you could do math facts. So he's doing addition here, so I'm giving him a math fact. He's putting them together and then trying to hit that number. And we just put numbers up with tape. You could do chalk. You could also do this just on the cement. And you could also use different kind of balls. So as you saw the tennis ball, it went away. It hit and he had to go chase it, which is also getting them moving. Or you could do like this is a soft bean bag type ball. And you could also use a type of water squirt gun like this. 4. Did you get 4? We got this dice at the Dollar Tree. It has dry erase, so you can change up the sides and the different skills that you do. So you could put, we were kind of mixing some combination of like a physical skill with a academic type skill. You could just do one or the other. You can make some easier that for younger kids, you can make them more challenging. But the idea is they just roll it and they do what it says, which can involve different type of physical skills and then also some thinking to get their brain going too. Sing ABCs while spinning. We've got the ABCs all over on the ground, so I'm doing sight words with him. When he was little, we would just do letter ID, and he would just go jump on that letter. Now I'm giving him his sight words, and he's got to jump on the letters in that word to spell the word. I, and then what? In. There you go. What word is that? Oh. What's first? Yep. Go find it. Then what's next? G. Oh, go. What'd you spell? Go. Here is a bowling type game with math facts. So there's numbers on them and he's gonna go add up the ones he knocks over. I got 3 and 1. 3 and 1? Okay, what does 3 and 1 make? 3 and 1 more is what? 4. 4, nice job. This is just another spin on that same type of game. So instead of a ball, he's got a water squirt gun, which they love playing with water, so it works out perfectly. He's just squirting to see what he knocks over, and then we're keeping track of his points, so he's having to add them all up. There's so many different variations and ways to play these games, so you can just kind of take the idea and go with it on your own. We also were throwing balls. We flipped the cups the other way and we were throwing balls inside of them. They didn't quite stay up, but it worked out okay because then he was able to take the ones that knocked over and turn that into a math fact. So there's a lot of different ways you can get them doing some kind of math. So here's a water table for some more water fun. They love this thing. It's beat up and it leaks, but we still use it. We got these letters at the Dollar Tree, just one little foam puzzle, and so we have all these letters, but you can really use anything you don't mind getting in the water. And he is finding a sight word, so I give him a word and he picks out the letters for that word. And we've also got some floating ducks in there with numbers. Those are from Learning Resources. I'll link down below if you're interested, but he's gonna find some and do an addition math fact. And what I like about these is they've got the dots on top. So like some of these bigger numbers, 8 plus 7, he can use those dots on top to help him count on. So that's a great support. Hey, strong boy. Ah! Okay, we got it filled back up after my little Hulk decided to dump it. So for him just learning to identify his letters, I just only do a few at a time. So he's got A, B, and C in there right now, and then I ask him to find one. Otherwise, it's just too much for them to kind of sort through at this young age. A C, good job, smart boy. So I hope you found a few new ideas that you can use to help your kids learn and have fun outside. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more math, reading, writing activities to help your kids thrive. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.